We are the Germans in California.
The dogs. First, I fill up the dog bath and bring the little one out onto the balcony. A bit of soap, a gentle soak, and into the tub she goes. She wasn't really a fan at first, but after a moment she actually started to enjoy it. Then came the towel, a good scrub, and ta-da! One clean, slightly confused, very fluffy dog. Now for the big one. No tub for him, he goes on the leash. Time for the manual wash. He's not thrilled, but hey, it's got to be done. So a little soap, a little patience, and eventually we made it. One final shower, a final towel scrub, and of course, for all that effort, a well-deserved reward. Until next time.
We are the Germans in California.